One of the reasons that many people choose to use CapCut to edit video is a huge library of footage embedded, and the rich sound effects and the stickers effects, which greatly reduces the time for editors to search and find useful footage online. But if you get used to using Premiere, DaVinci Resolve, or other video editing software, then where should you get this footage? Well, today, we will teach you how to import the materials in CapCut into your own stock library. First of all, install the PC version of CapCut. Open it, and we can find a variety of useful materials in library here. We'll start with the music clips as an example. Click here. Pick your favorite one from the tabs. Then click on a music track, and it will start downloading automatically. After downloading, we can use the music directly, or find the address in My Computer, where you can find the music we just downloaded. You can save the downloaded music to your own library for later use. The same goes for the sound effects. Let's come down to the sound effect. Download some of your favorite sound effects from the tabs. Then, find this address as well to locate the sound effects you just downloaded and save it to your library for later use. Well, this is also true for the video clips. We click on Library here, where you can find a collection of video clips like funny clips, glitch animations, vapor waves, green screen clips, and others. Choose your favorite video clips based on the catalog here. Pick the video clips you like and click on Download.
Nice.
The video clips will then be automatically saved to this directory. And similarly, you can save it to your video library for later use. Here we can find many types of stickers, like masking, instructions, love hearts, feelings, and some others. You can follow the category tabs here. Pick the clip you like and click on Download. The stickers will be automatically saved in this directory. Then you can find them and add to your own library. Well, we have summed up all the addresses of the materials and put the table on the screen. If you need, feel free to take a screenshot for later use. And this is all for today's video. If you want to learn more about other cool editing tips or what has been going on with the VideoProc vlogger, be sure to click that subscribe button to the subscribe channel if you haven't yet. And we'll see you soon in our next video. Hope you enjoy. Bye-bye!